Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're tackling castor oil, its benefits and drawbacks. Let's get started. Let's dive into the potential benefits of castor oil. This versatile oil, derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, has been used for centuries in various cultures for its myriad of health and beauty benefits. From ancient Egypt to modern-day wellness routines, castor oil has found its place in households around the world. One of the most popular uses of castor oil is for promoting hair growth. Thanks to its high concentration of ricinoleic acid, castor oil may inhibit proteins that contribute to hair loss, making it a favorite among those looking to thicken their hair. Many people swear by its ability to not only promote hair growth, but also to add shine and strength to their locks. Its moisturizing properties can significantly improve scalp health, which is crucial for supporting healthier hair growth. Regular scalp massages with castor oil can enhance blood circulation, ensuring that hair follicles receive the nutrients they need to thrive. This can lead to not just longer hair, but also stronger and more resilient strands. In skincare, castor oil is celebrated for its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties. It's particularly effective in combating dryness and soothing irritation, making it a go-to for those with sensitive skin. The fatty acids in castor oil can penetrate deep into the skin, providing lasting hydration and helping to maintain a healthy skin barrier. However, it's important to note that castor oil is quite thick and can potentially clog pores. This is why it's crucial to do a patch test first, especially if you have acne-prone skin. Applying a small amount to a discrete area can help you determine if your skin will react negatively before you use it more broadly. Castor oil is also known for its use as a natural laxative. When ingested, it increases intestinal movement, helping to relieve constipation. This use dates back to ancient times and is still practiced today, although it should be approached with caution. It's essential to use castor oil as a laxative only under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Overuse can lead to dehydration and other complications, so it's important to follow recommended dosages and consult with a doctor if you have any concerns. Some believe that castor oil can boost the immune system, reduce joint pain, and even induce labor. While these uses are popular in traditional medicine, scientific evidence supporting these claims is limited. Therefore, it's always best to approach these uses with caution and seek professional advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before using castor oil, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have underlying health conditions. Your doctor can provide personalized advice and ensure that castor oil is safe for your specific situation. In the next chapter, we'll explore various uses of castor oil, from hair treatments to skincare applications. Stay tuned for more insights on how to incorporate this versatile oil into your daily routine for maximum benefits. Now, how do you use castor oil? Let's get practical and explore the various ways you can incorporate this versatile oil into your daily routine. For hair care, use it as a deep conditioning treatment. Apply a generous amount to your scalp and hair, ensuring every strand is coated. Massage it in thoroughly to stimulate blood flow and promote hair growth. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or even overnight before washing it out with shampoo. Add a few drops to your shampoo or conditioner for extra moisture. This can help combat dryness and add a natural shine to your hair. Mix well before applying to ensure even distribution. For skincare, use it as a moisturizer for dry areas like elbows, knees, and cuticles. Its thick consistency makes it perfect for targeting rough patches. Simply massage a small amount into the skin until fully absorbed. Apply a small amount to your face after cleansing, but use sparingly. Castor oil is highly potent, so a little goes a long way. It can help with hydration and even out skin tone, but be cautious if you have sensitive skin. As a laxative, use castor oil only under healthcare guidance. It can be effective for relieving constipation, but improper use can lead to serious health issues. Always consult a doctor before ingesting. Choose a high-quality, cold-pressed and hexane-free product. This ensures you're getting the purest form of castor oil, free from harmful chemicals and additives. Start with a small amount to test for allergic reactions. Apply a tiny bit to your wrist and wait 24 hours. If you experience any irritation, discontinue use immediately. Store castor oil in a cool, dark place to prevent it from going rancid. Proper storage will extend its shelf life and maintain its effectiveness. Up next, we'll delve into the potential drawbacks and considerations of using castor oil. Stay tuned to learn more about how to use this powerful oil safely and effectively. Now let's delve into the potential drawbacks of using castor oil, which are important to consider before incorporating it into your routine. One of the primary concerns is that it can cause allergic reactions. These reactions can vary significantly, ranging from mild redness and irritation to more severe symptoms like swelling, hives, and even difficulty breathing. If you notice any of these symptoms after using castor oil, it's crucial to discontinue use immediately and seek medical attention to prevent further complications. Additionally, castor oil is known for its potent laxative properties. While this can be beneficial in some cases, overuse can lead to significant digestive issues such as diarrhea, cramping, and dehydration. It's essential to stay hydrated and monitor your body's response. Before using castor oil as a laxative, it's highly recommended to consult a healthcare professional. They can provide guidance on safe usage and appropriate dosages. Another critical point to consider is that castor oil can interact with various medications. If you are taking blood thinners, diuretics, or antibiotics, it's imperative to talk to your doctor to avoid any adverse interactions. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should exercise caution and avoid using castor oil. There is insufficient evidence to confirm its safety for these groups, and it's better to err on the side of caution. Remember, while castor oil has its benefits, it is not a miracle cure. Use it responsibly, understand its limitations, and have realistic expectations about its effects. If you have any concerns or questions about using castor oil, always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice tailored to your specific health needs and conditions. So there you have it, the truth about castor oil. It's a powerful natural remedy with potential benefits and drawbacks. Do your research, use it responsibly, and listen to your body. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more health information.